Timeline and chronology. Gurjar Pratihar kings in order, in chronological order. Vatsraj Nagbhat 2, Mihir Bhoj Mahendrapal 2, Mahendrapal 1. Kalchudi kings. Kokala Balharsh Lakshman Raj Shankargan Yuvraj 2. Battle of Arbela 331. Battle of Hydas Pass 326. Battle of Palalur 618. Battle of Takolam 948. Battle of Tarain 1191. Kushan king repulsed by the Chinese general Pan Chao in 90 AD. Accession of Chandragupta 375 AD. Reign of Buddhagupta 477. Death of Pulakesin 2 642. Itsing's visit at Nalanda 670. Important queens of ancient Kashmir mentioned by Kalhana chronologically: Sugandha, Didda, Suryamati and Radha. Shunga dynasty rulers chronologically: Pushyagupta, Agnimitra, Vasumitra, Pulindak, Devabhumi. Malwa sultans: Muhammad Shah Gori, Mahmud Khalji I, Ghias Shah, Nasir Shah. Events under Chol rulers in order: capture of Tanjore, invasion on Pandalur and Vilinam, invasion of Ceylon and destruction of Anuradhapur, naval invasion of Sri Vijaya, destruction of the fort of Kulpak under Western Charukya. Chol kings in order: Rajaraja I, Rajendra I, Veera Rajendra, Kulotunga I. Events chronologically: Treaty of Surat, Treaty of Purandar, Convention of Badgaon, Treaty of Salbai, Treaty of Mangalore. Death of Mahaji Sindhia 1794. Battle of Khurda between the Nizam and the Marathas 1795. Death of Nana Fadnavis 1800. Treaty of Amritsar between Ranjit Singh and Marathas 1795. Death of Nana Fadnavis, the First Anglo-Nepal War 1814. Vijayanagar kings in order: Veer is Narasimha, Krishna Dev Rai, Achyuta Dev Rai, Venkat I, Sadaship. Ceylonese king of Vijay dynasty: Vijay, Pandu Vasudev, Abhay, Uttiya, Ilar. By order of establishment: Mokharis, Salod Bhavas, Ayudhas, Karakotas, Gehedwalas. Death of Ali Adil Shah 1580. Death of Murtaza Nizam Shah 1588. 4 missions were sent to Deccan by Akbar 1591. Marriage of Chand Bibi 1564. Chandayan 1376. Mulla Dod by Mulla Dod. Mrigavati 1503. Padmavat 1540 by Muhammad Jasi. Madhumalati 1545 by Mir Sayyid Manshan Shatari Rajgiri. Ramcharitmanas 1574. Sequence of Muhammad bin Tughlaq's projects as in Barani's Tariq-e-Feroz Shahi. Taxation in Doab, transfer of capital, token currency, expedition to Khorasan, Karachal expedition. Iltutmish, Balban, Muizuddin Pyakobad, Jalaluddin Khilji, Alauddin Khilji. Marco Polo visits Malabar coast. First Mongol invasion during reign of Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji's price control measures. Muhammad bin Tughlaq's token currency experiment. Ibn Battuta in India. Monuments in order: Charminar, Ibrahim Roza, Mehtar Mahal, entrance to Dargah of Banda Nawaz, Gol Gumbaz. Monuments in order: Begum Shahi Mosque, Lahore, Chashma-e-Noor, Ajmer, tomb of Itniyar-ud-Dawla, बीबी का मकबरा औरंगाबाद, इतनियार-उद-दौला आगरा. Sayyid Sultans in order: Khizr Khan, Muizuddin Mubarak Shah 2, Muhammad Shah 4, Alauddin Alam Shah. Alauddin Khilji captured Bhilsa 1292, capture of Ranthambore 1301, siege of Chittor 1303, Malik Kafur's expedition to Devgiri 1307, expedition to Warangal 1309, Akbar conquest of Malwa, conquest of Gujarat, battle of Haldi Ghati, revival of the Nowruz festival, annexation of Kashmir. Akbar's victories in order: Bengal, Kabul, Sindh, Khandesh. Aurangzeb, Treaty of Purandar, reimposition of Jizya, conquest of Bijapur, conquest of Golconda, capture and execution of Shambhaji. Farmans issued by Mughals. Akbar's Farman to Ramdas, Raja Todarmal's Memorandum on Revenue Administration. Farman to Rasik Das Karori. Farman to Muhammad Hashim. Paintings in chronological order. Muzmahil treating the sorcerers. Anwari and a companion in a treehouse. Akbar slaying tiger. The birth of the prince. Death of Inayat Khan. Chronological order. Kot Diji culture. Kayat culture. Malwa culture. Jorwe culture. Books in chronological order. Hemchandra Rai Chaudhary. Political history of ancient India. K.P. Jaiswal, Hindu polity. P.T.S. Iyengar, history of Tamils in 600 AD. A.S. Altekar, the position of women in Hindu civilization. R.C. Majumdar, ancient India. Kerala Verma's translation of Shakuntalam into Malayalam. Death of Bhartendu Harishchandra. Indian Association sends Dwarkanath Ganguly to inquire into conditions of garden labourers of Assam. Dev Samaj founded by Sivanarayan Agnihotri. C.V. Raman Pillai writes the Malayalam novel Martanda Varma. Queens in order. 1. Naika, Nayanika. 2. Prabhavati. 3. Bidha. 4. Akka Devi. 5. Rudrambha. History of art in chronological order. Barhut, Jagya Peet, Bhumar, Thanjavur. Chronological order. Sutanipath, Periplus of the Erythraean Sea, Mani Mekalai, Siyuki. European travelers who visited India in a chronological order. Pietro della Villa, Fray Sebastian Manrique, Abbe Carre, Gemelli Carreri. Chronologically treaties. Treaty of Allahabad and Kara. Treaty of Seringapatanam. Treaty of Bassein Vasai. Treaty of Lahore. Treaty of Bassein 1802. Vellore Mutiny 1806. Death of Nana Fadnavis 1800. Ranjit Singh captures Lahore 1799. The Battle of Sindh-Khed 1758. The Battle of Udgir 1760. The Battle of Moti Talao 1771. The Battle of Bhopal 1737. Arrival in India. Ralph Fitch 1583. John Mildenhall 1599. William Finch 1608. Thomas Coriath 1612. Niccolo Manucci 1656. Landmark legal cases chronologically. Maharaja libel case, Vijay Lakshmi case, Rukmabai case, Falmoni case. 1946 Mutiny in Royal Indian Navy 18 February. Announcement of Cabinet Mission Plan 24 March. Direct Action Day 16 August. Formation of Indian Government 2 September. First meeting of Constituent Assembly 9 December. Nationalization of insurance companies January 1956. Hindu Succession Act, June 1956. Introduction of the metric system of weights, 1958. Arrival of Eisenhower in New Delhi, 1959. Meeting of the Afro-Asian Conference at New Delhi, 1961. Organizations chronologically. All India Trade Union Congress, AITUC. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Independent Labour Party of India, Ambedkar. Indian National Trade Union Congress, INTUC. Events chronologically. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, Hunter Committee report published. Informations of Swaraj Party. The Kakori train robbery committed. Train Union Act passed. Revolt of 1857 at Sultanpur. Revolt of 1857 at Sagor. Rebels defeat General Windham outside Kanpur. Tantia Tope escapes. Jhansi falls to the British. Chronologically, Pune Sarvajanik Sabha formed. Surendranath Banerjee disqualified for the ICS. Kuka movement in Punjab. Swami Dayanand Saraswati laid the foundation of the Arya Samaj at Bombay. India League founded at Calcutta. Establishment of the following associations chronologically. Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. Indian Association of Lahore. Allahabad People's Association. Raja Mundri Social Reform Association. Mahajan Sabha of Madras. Mahatma Gandhi restarted Harijan Weekly after a lapse of 18 months. Mahatma Gandhi, while addressing convocation of Banaras Hindu University, paid tribute to work of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Gandhi addressed the All India Cow Protection Conference at Nagpur. Gandhi met Marshal and Madam Chiang Kai-shek at Calcutta. Gandhi met Cripps and described his proposals as a post-dated check. Shimla Conference, June 1945. Cabinet mission visits India, March to June 1946. Elections for the Constituent Assembly held in July 1946. Chronologically, first coal mine opened at Raniganj. Mailwadi regulation issued. Abolition of slavery in India. GIP Railway Company formed in London. Second Opium War begins. Chronologically, death of Mughal Emperor Akbar. Portuguese occupation of Goa. Establishment of the Dutch East India Company. Royal Charter granted to English East India Company. Establishment of French East India Company. Institutions chronologically. Calcutta Madrasa, Asiatic Society of Bengal, Sanskrit College, Banaras, Fort William College, Calcutta. Chronologically, death of Nana Fadnavis, Wellesley annexes Carnatic, Treaty of Bassein, Vellore Mutiny, Malcolm's mission to Persia and Elphinstone's mission to Kabul. First Factory Act 1881, Third Anglo-Burmese War 1885, Age of Consent Act 1891, Durand's mission to Kabul 1893, Plague at Bombay 1896, the First Afghan War, Government of Conquest of Sindh, the First Anglo-Sikh War, opening of a Hindu girls' school in Calcutta by Bethune, the Second Anglo-Burmese War, resignation of Mr. Montagu 1922, All India Depressed Class Association 1926, report of the Skin Committee 1927, publication of the Royal Labour Commission's report 1931, the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun 1932. Supreme Court was constituted with Hyde as one of the puissant judges. Rules and regulations made by the Governor General in the Council were not to be registered with the Supreme Court. Board of Control was established. Governor General was given the power of both the Governor General and the Commander-in-Chief. The power given to Governor General to override his council was extended to all future Governor Generals and Governors. Acts according to their date of enactment. Registration of Press Act 11, an act for the better control of publication in oriented languages. The Official Secrets Act. The Indian Press Act, Emergency Powers. Hindu Conference at Lahore under presidency of Sir Praful Chandra Chatterjee. Sri Aurobindo retreated to Pondicherry. Indian Institute of Science Bangalore starts functioning. Creation of Legislative Assembly for Assam. Forest Research Institute and College opened at Dehradun.